Here's poor Owen again. He's got the hiccups. Poor guy. He gets them every day. All the time. Hey, kid. It doesn't seem to bother him, though. Oh. Well, I think it bothers us more than it bothers him. He looks like he's being tortured. Oh. You think it'd be mean if I scared him? Then he would stop hiccuping. Poor guy. Alright. That's Owen with his hiccups. Hi, Cross Eyes. He's really trying to concentrate. You can't control them yet, can you? No. Okay, say goodbye again. Goodbye, hiccups.